Hey, what's up, guys? This is Chad from Gulf Coast Soft Wash. Just quick video on how to measure driveways. Go into Google Maps. All right, just go to Google and search Google Maps. It'll take you right there. I'm going to use the address here in Panama City, right here. Put in the address. You see the pin drops here. Just zoom in on it. So what you're going to do is you're going to move your cursor to either corner of the driveway, right click it, and then come down to measure distance. All right, you can work your way around with multiple points. All right, you don't have to make it too long, so you keep the line half straight. It's going to be harder to get into the actual sidewalk, so I'm going to come a little past the sidewalk to make up for that. Come here, work my way down to the end of the driveway. Like I said, it doesn't have to be exact, but get it close. And then once you close these points in, then you'll see down here the total area. So I got 1,152 square feet. So I just tell the customer 1,150. So charging 20 cents per square foot here. I'm going to come to my calculator. We'll say 1150 times 0.20, and I charge $230 for that driveway. But anyway, hopefully this video helped you out. Pretty easy. If you have any questions, just hit me up in the comments. Thanks. Bye.